which you know Sir Joe loves.
Come
Are you
closer.
feeling sexy tonight?
Come closer to us,
Okay na.
please. Let's go. Come closer.
Move!
Let's go.
Move!
Move your
be
body.
shy.
Move your body.
I and I and I. You can sing. I and
apologize
Naririnig mo ba ang awit ng mga ibon sa bintana? Sumasayaw ang dahon sa kumpas ng hangin na maniwala. Sumabay tama, liwanag ang dilim sa puso kong nalulunod. Niyakap ng init sa pag-asang hindi pa rin nababago. At maglaro, tama, at magmahal, tama, sa loob, tama. Don't be afraid to move your bodies. It's a gift from the heavens. Celebrate it. Love it. Come on. I and I. Sing it if you're happy. I and
Bring the plate back.
You can do better than that. the island and in our hearts. Shana White!
Was good? Amazing, just like how the way.
Sarap na, no?
The
Good?
So good.
Where did you find tango? Little size. Yung secret.
Inom lang ako tubig, ha? I just drink water.
Don't forget to drink water. Don't forget to
Hydrate, ha? We don't want to see people fainting tonight. We don't have...
a hospital nearby. Yeah. Drink your water. Again, we're Anima Sierra. Drink your water, P. May mga bata dito. Yeah, drink your water. So yeah, let's do a quick intro. This is our master, our head of the band, he hit his head on the microphone. That's Jason Jandy. Over there, you might not see her, but she is the heartbeat of our band. That's Rhea the
Rhea, the heartbeat!
Over here, yet another pulse in our band is Jolo. He's on the bass.
Oh, Jala!
On the kulit is Desiree Rivaldo. She is
Tuba siguro dyan.
what is it, master?
Tuba.
Ha?
Eagle Master.
If you're not familiar with
Hatag sa ila.
Yes, she will. One of the many traditional dances here in the Philippines. Over there on the far side in a salakot that is...
Diyos ra.
If you want to see Best Dance Palaya,
Watermelon ra.
performance.
He also will do a workshop.
Yes, he does band workshops as well. Over here we have Santi. Yes. He also dances. Well, he just doesn't do a workshop. Of course, you know Alon, our flow artist. Coming to the light, this is Box Castro. He has written many of our songs, including this next one. I'm Maya, I wanna be a
Maya, guys.
I use they pronouns for those who are aware. This next song is Box Castro. It's Box Castro.
It's me?
It's a fan favorite, so if you know it, sing along. If you don't know, you will too.
He will.
This one's called The Musical.
One of those songs that you need to sing along with us, okay? That's alright? Let's try it. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. I can't hear. Come on. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Sing, oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na.
Wait lang ba Ha? Watermelon shake? Di ako makaangay? Pila man sir daw na orderin? Pila? Daon? 150? Ah.